video 7, and this is going to be one of the specific videos that I promised, and that is the periodic trends. Now, there's going to be multiple videos on the periodic trends. I want to focus on this one primarily on the definitions, and then I'm going to make a 8th, 9th, 10th, and possibly 11th video about each one individually and putting them together. Just because 5 minutes won't be enough time for me to go over everything. So going right into it, the 3 periodic trends are atomic radius, ionization energy, and electronegativity. The best way for me to describe them is actually written on the board right here. As you can see, and I'm going to make this a little bigger for people. See if I can't do it this way. Nice. To summarize, atomic radius is the size of the atom. Now, the definition of atomic radius technically is from the center of a nucleus to the outside electron. Well, again, some of those get really tough because, again, what is the outside electron? The valence electrons. And all of these deal with the valence electrons. This is comparing size based on the farthest electron out. For example, if you wear 5 coats, you're going to be bigger than if you wore 1 coat. Ionization energy is defending your electrons. So how hard is it to take an electron away from you? And electronegativity is your ability, or the atom's ability specifically, to take another's electron. So I want to protect my electron. I want to take yours. That's what these 3 really equal. Okay? And that's the big thing. Which is why I like referring to electronegativity as kind of a sword and ionization energy like a shield. Now, going through them very briefly, fluorine is a very tiny element, actually the smallest we know of right now, where francium is the biggest. And we're kind of small up here. As you can see, the general trend is as we go up and to the right, we get smaller and smaller. That's the opposite of atomic radius and electronegativity, where in the bottom left corner, there are really small values for ionization energy and electronegativity, and really large values up here. So just to start out with a basic definition video, atomic radius is how big the atom is. Ionization energy is how much energy it takes to remove one of your electrons. And electronegativity is how much you want to take someone else's. I'm now going to make 3 separate videos talking about each one of these a little more specifically and why this is.